Hi, Ria Ma'am. I know computers are important and I know about the parts, but I've never used one before. Where do I even start?
Hi Bunny, don't worry. I will help you to learn how to use computers. Let us start by turning it on, okay?
Yes, please. I want to see how it works.
First you need to switch on the power supply.
Oh, that's like the switch for lights, right?
Exactly Bunny. Now we need to switch on the UPS button. This UPS keeps computer safe when power goes out suddenly.
A shield for the computer?
Yes, it acts like a shield for the computer. Now simply switch on the power button of CPU.
CPU is the brain of computer, right?
Exactly, Bunny. It does all the thinking and processing work of a computer system.
It's on. What's next?
Now switch on the power button of monitor and wait for a bit so that everything can get loaded into the computer system.
Wow, it's like magic.
No, it's not the magic. It is the Windows. And here is the desktop. And the small pictures on this desktop is called icons. They helps to open programs and files of the computer system.
And what is that thin bar at the bottom?
This thin bar is called taskbar. You can find programs and tools of computer system over there.
I want to open something. What can I try?
Let us open WordPad, a program to start writing with computer system. In the taskbar, you can find a search bar, right? In that search bar, simply type WordPad. After that, you have to select the option WordPad. See this top bar. It is called title bar. It shows the name of the program that you are using.
What about those buttons on the right?
Those are called control buttons. This middle one, it's actually the resize button. You simply try it.
Cool, it got smaller. Can I make it big again?
Yes, just click it once again.
And what about other two buttons?
Well, the button on the left side of resize is called minimize. It is used to shrink your app onto the taskbar. And the button on the right side is close. It is used to close your app. Now when you're done, it's important to shut down computer in a right way.
Got it. What do I do?
To do that, first of all, select the Windows icon on the taskbar. It is also called Start button. Click on the power button, then select Shut down.
Is that it?
Almost. Now, you have to switch off monitor power button, switch off the UPS button, then put off the main power supply.
I did it. I can turn it on and off now.
Wonderful job, Bunny. Now always remember that you have to shut down your computer system properly so that it always stays safe.
I will, Ria Ma'am. Thank you for teaching me. I'm ready to use the computer all by myself now.
You're welcome, Bunny. So children, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel to get more videos like this, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Sayonara.